Hello guys. In this video, I will show you how I create a smooth shake on my edits. So first check the preview of the edit, which got the 2.7 million views in my TikTok.
Doing the things that I never would know. Treat me like what don't get me dirty. Love on me.
Now start the tutorial. First import your favorite audio and clips. The clips I am using is from the lowdown.com YouTube channel. Now select the first clip, then tap on speed. Now open the custom settings and copy my graph. I follow this same speed graph in my all videos in Capcut. Now go back and adjust clip between beats. Then go back to the graph editor, tap on smoother and select the bottom option. Now do same thing with other clips. If you like the tutorial, then like the video and subscribe the channel for some motivation for me. After you've done this, it will look like this.
Doing the things that I never would know. Treat me like what
Now it will look better, but it looks pretty. So don't worry, now we add some smooth shake by it will look better. To do that, just select the clip and add keyframe at the center of the clip and zoom in the timeline at 100%. Now give the gap of 10 frames and add another keyframe. Now scale in as much as I did. My video is vertical, so I rotate it so that you can understand easily. Now drag it to bottom right corner. Now go to the start of the clip and drag it to the top left corner. Between these two keyframes, open the graph editor and copy my graph. Do same thing with next clip. As you can see, the second clip is longer than first one. So we add more shakes for smooth Y shake. To do that, add another keyframe in the center. Now scale up to 5% and drag it to downward. Now add last keyframe at end and drag upward. Now apply this on all other clips. After it done, we add some scale and animations on last two keyframe. To do that, go to on last keyframe and scale up to 30%. Open the graph editor and copy my graph. Now the last thing is to do add some directional blur to make it more smoother. To do that, go back and open the video effects, go to opening and closing and add oblique blur. Now drag it to the beat and trim it down up to 0.5 second. Increase the blur amount up to 100% and set the blur direction according to shake direction. Now go to last and decrease the blur amount at 0%. Now copy the effect 2 times and apply this on all clips. Now it's done. Add the color correction through adjustment settings. If you want to know my color secrets tutorial, then comment on this video. Now tap on export. Export at 4K 30 frames per second. So this is the final result.
Doing the things that I never would know. Treat me like what don't get me dirty. Love on me.
I will upload separate video for these viral intros. I hope you already like the video. See you in next amazing tutorial.